Ah, ah. The fat cat sat on the man's black hat. Eh, eh, eh. It's best to rest, said the vet to the pet. Or, or, or. Laura's daughter bought a horse and called it Laura. Oh, oh, oh. John wants to watch Walter wash the dog.
Ah, ah, ah. It's hard to park a car in a dark car park. Ah, ah, ah. My mother's brother's my uncle. My uncle's son's my cousin. Uh, uh, uh. The girl heard the nurse work.
I ate an apple and a banana in a cinema in Canada.
E, E, E. Steve keeps the cheese in the freezer. I, I, I. Tim bit a bit of Kitty's biscuit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sue knew too few new tunes on the flute. Uh, uh, uh.
That cook couldn't cook if he didn't look at a cookbook.